Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have your VPN account, credentials, and the correct server address. Next, install the official client or open your system VPN settings. This matters because clients handle certificates and protocols for you. Once installed, open the app and choose the protocol your organization requires, for example, OpenVPN or WireGuard. Make sure any provided certificate files are imported. Now you are ready to create a new connection profile and enter username, password, and server. Once the profile exists, configure connection specifics. Assign a clear name, paste the server address and port, and select the protocol. If the provider gave you certificates or keys, import them into the client now because missing certificates cause handshake failures. Adjust advanced options like DNS push, split tunneling, or a kill switch to match your privacy needs. Then save the profile and click Connect. Watch the status and logs. They tell you whether authentication, routing, or certificate validation succeeded, so you can react quickly. After connecting, verify the tunnel, confirm your external IP changed, test for DNS leaks, and inspect the route table to ensure traffic flows through the VPN. If all is well, save the profile and close settings, routinely update the client for security patches. If connection fails, start troubleshooting. First, restart the client and re-enter credentials. If that does not work, re-import certificates and switch protocols or ports. Some networks block specific ports. Keep a log snapshot to share with support if deeper help is needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.